Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Let's dive right in. I want to show y'all what I have created from this packing paper and file folder to this. Yes, I'm super proud, super happy of it, and I want to share it with y'all. For those of y'all that are here for the thought of the day, that will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so put that aside. We're going to go through this first. This is all the way complete. Everything that y'all see here will be in my Etsy shop in a few days. I'm not quite done with this one, but I'm sure it'll be done by the end of today. But I wanted to go ahead and share it with y'all. Okay. This is a tri-fold flip out. Where is that? Yes, a tri-fold flip out. But y'all, this is how it started. Packing paper from Goose Creek Candles. Sorry about hitting the camera. But yeah, packing paper. That's how it started. Sorry, I want to straighten that up. There we go. It's a bit better. Okay. Okay, so we've got like I said, a tri-fold flip open thing here. Tons of collaging, snippet roll up here. Tons of lace, sparkly sequin appliques from Crafty Me Shop. Here's a print. This print, all of the Victorian girl prints that you'll see throughout this video, I will have these in my Etsy shop within a few days if you're interested in purchasing. They are not digital. They are physical items that will be mailed to you. Okay, so first page, you flip it open. I just love it. I love it, y'all. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I know I say that all the time, but I'm not going to share something with y'all that I don't love. I'm not going to put anything in my Etsy shop that I don't love, that I wouldn't, you know, purchase for myself. Of course, I share my mistakes with y'all. I think, you know, and that's the cool thing about this craft is you can make mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake, and it's very rarely ever not fixable. Mistakes are almost always fixable. It's one of the things I love about this craft. So we got some really pretty butterflies. These butterflies will also be in my Etsy shop. I'm looking to see if I can show y'all any more images of the butterflies I know I have around here. Because everything that I offer y'all on my Etsy shop, I keep and use for myself as well. Where are they? Well, I do not see the butterflies. I will do another video on those papers later. I know I have the butterflies. Obviously, I used them here. More appliques, pretty sparkly things. I made this snippet roll here. Use that. How gorgeous is that? From Esme's Crafty Me Shop. I just love it. This is a digital print from My Porch Prints that I've embellished, did a little collaging on. Got some sequins and some beads here. Got some really pretty lace hanging down. And up in the pocket, up here we've got 3 pockets. And in each of these pockets, I was wondering what I was going to do with these tags, and I've been asked to give a demonstration of how I made these tags, so I have got to do that as well. So, well, you know what? That'll be the next thing that I do. So each pocket has a gorgeous vintage Victorian tag. I just love those. Oh, all of the sparklies, all of the the goodies, the deliciousness sticking all out. I just love it. So all 3 of these are included. And plenty of journaling room obviously, on the back of all 3. So let's close this up. How beautiful is that? I know y'all have already seen it, but here we are. I just love it, love it. More gorgeous lace hanging off it. How beautiful is that piece? These papers are part of the paper kits that I'm going to be offering on my Etsy shop as well. I think that is so pretty. And to go along with this trifold flip out, I'm going to include a little journal also made from the same brown packing paper that I showed y'all a minute ago. Here we go. So this journal was also made out of this paper. I need to do a haul video because this lace I got is a 26-yard bolt when I was thrifting the other day. I'm so happy with that. I love it, love it. I did coffee dye this. This pure white. It's a bit too stark white for me, so I did coffee dye the lace. Got some more Crafty Me Shop lace here, Crafty Me Shop applique. I love that. More Crafty Me Shop lace with pearl dangles here. More lace up under that. And up underneath this is a vintage handkerchief. Now this is not finished, but it will be finished later today. And it will go on my Etsy shop. I'm not doing a lot in here. That is what this is for. It's for you to use to decorate your own journal or not, in any way that you choose. But I am going to do the inside, and right now I have this Tim Holtz paper there for the moment, but it's full of really, really pretty different types of tea-dyed papers, some digital prints that you can find in my shop, my Etsy shop, some other digital prints. So that's in my shop. Just some really pretty papers, and I'm going to do this as well. And I did carry the lace over onto the back side so that the whole entire thing is really pretty. But yeah, so not quite done with this journal, but just about, and it will all be in my Etsy shop very soon. Now on to our thought of the day. I hope that what I'm about to say sets many of y'all free. Are you ready? You are not responsible for other people's happiness. You're not. There you go. Until next time, y'all take care of yourself, and I will see y'all soon.